Stay with me for the next couple of minutes and I'm going to show you a simple exercise that is used in therapy to help clients manage their anxiety. And at this end of this video, you'll be able to do it by yourself. Hey, hi, this is Nikita Vaishnavi, counseling psychologist and your next door therapist. Welcome to my channel and let's get started. Anxiety is an emotion that helps you to deal with potential danger, and you feel it in your body through signs like increased heart rate, sweating, nausea, and so much more. And let's get over this because this video is not about that. And very often, your thoughts provoke, trigger, and fuel your anxiety. So, by managing your thoughts, you can manage your anxiety. And that is what we're going to focus in today's exercise. So, the goal with anxiety is not to control these thoughts, but to change your relationship with them. And when this shift happens, your thoughts start losing power that it once had over you. First, it's important to understand something. Some level of anxiety is natural. Every human being experiences it. Something that you need to remind yourself when your anxiety shows up. Now, anxiety becomes a concern when it starts interfering and affecting your day to day functioning, like your relationship, work, sleep, or even your confidence. At that point, it becomes especially important for you to manage your anxiety and your thoughts. So, where do we begin? You begin with regular check ins that help to build awareness about your thoughts and feelings. I recommend you checking with yourself 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. You can set up your own schedule and set up reminders like in your sticky notes and phone, whichever works for you. And how does this check-ins look like? You pause and ask yourself, what am I thinking right now? What am I feeling in my body right now? As you practice this consistently, you start noticing your anxiety and thoughts earlier on. For example, an anxious thought would look like, I'm going to definitely fail this interview. And this creates a lot of anxiety when one has this thought. Now, instead of fighting this anxious thought, let's practice something together right now. Pause for a moment. Notice a thought that has been bugging you or have been going in your mind today. Now say this in your head. I'm having the thought that, insert your thought. It would look like, I'm having a thought that I am definitely going to fail this interview. Now notice what shifted. You're not resisting the thought, you're not arguing with it, you're not fighting it. You're simply accepting it as a thought. And this creates a distance, reducing the power that the thought has over you. Recognize that this thought is not a fact and a temporary one, not a permanent part of you, something that is just passing. So you can imagine these thoughts to be clouds passing the sky or leaves floating through a stream. And here's a pro tip for you, write down your thoughts. By writing it down, you not only drain the thought from your mind, but also you can examine them more objectively. You might be able to find patterns, recurring themes, or even unrealistic assumptions hidden in these thoughts. So, by doing this exercise altogether, you're going to manage your thoughts. So, yes, try it out and let me know your experience in the comments. And do check out the description where I will be giving you a stepwise instructions for you to follow. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and thank you for watching this video. Bye.